Furry, the little penguins that could. Written by Ann Yurchek, illustrated by Jody Culp. Better Endings, New Beginnings in Minneapolis, USA. Teaching about friendship, ability, and inclusion.
This is an all-new furry adventure.
Chapter 6. Let's begin. Teacher said, "Today we will have a visitor in our kindergarten classroom." I had lived in kindergarten for a long time. And over the years, many different children spent their days learning new things and playing with my friends and me. As the teacher helpers, Stuffies take our jobs very seriously. The happy, pay attention kind of serious, not the crabby pants kind. Just saying. That afternoon, after lunch and before the children got on the big yellow bus, a little boy rolled in for a visit. Now, Stuffies knows stuff. We could see that the boy was having a hard time. All the Stuffies were quite curious about him. We had watched lots of wheels. We had seen scooters on wheels and wagons on wheels. We had seen children moving their feet with 2 tires and 3 tires on bikes and trikes. We had seen wheels on toy trains and tires on toy cars and trucks and tractors. We had seen big wheels and little wheels, but no boy had ever come to the kindergarten penguin classroom on wheels. He sat on a chair that had 2 great big spokey wheels and 2 small front tires that teacher called a wheelchair. A lady pushed the boy in his rolly chair to teacher, and they chatted. Now, we didn't hear what they said. The Stuffies were busy listening to the little boy. He was quiet and had no smile. Kindergarten children usually smile a lot, but not this little. Where was his smile? Chick peeped. "I do not hear a peep." Dog woofed. "How can he run in those special shoes?" Owl hooted. "He has wheels to move." Monkey chattered. "We can help him get into stuffy trouble. My special gift is monkey business. Maybe that will make him smile." Oh, we all laughed. This was going to be a grand adventure.